Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price really increasing today, over 34% increase in price, and we also saw the volume of Tectonic token hitting 264% increase. And it's amazing to see a lot of people are rushing to buy Tectonic token because of the recent pump. Right now as I'm talking to you, Tectonic token really pumped in the past 24 hours, almost 35% increase in price, and it's amazing. I'm happy to see Tectonic token really pumping this by this period of time. And you see a lot of people actually started buying this coin. A lot of millions have been traded on Tectonic token within the past 24 hours. We'll be seeing Tectonic token increasing more before the end of this month, and because one important thing is to start the year with an amazing price, an amazing rise, because so many people want to buy so many coins right now, and I believe Tectonic token is going to be one of the coins a lot of people will be buying. Kronos chain have really done a lot of good for this coin. I mean, crypto.com have also done a lot, and VVS Finance are really showing great support for Tectonic token. I believe that 265% increase in volume is amazing to see. Tectonic volume really hit that level. You simply so many buyers are really coming in, because all of us know, of course, it's mostly because of Tectonic token recent pump. About 35% increase in price today is amazing, and I'm happy that Tectonic token is still going to pump more. Well, over $4 million have been traded on Tectonic token within the past 24 hours. This is one of the biggest Tectonic token volume ever. I mean, over $4 million in 24 hours. Well, I still believe that if Tectonic token can focus on getting more exchanges to list the coin and also focus on burning of Tectonic token this year, we might be seeing Tectonic token deleting between 1 or 2 zeros. And by the time Tectonic token deletes about 2 zeros, of course, Tectonic token might be deleting the top zeros, making it about 100,000% pump. Of course, it's possible, but I know it's not easy. But let's keep hoping that at least let's see Tectonic token end this year with a massive price pump, and I hope to see Tectonic token in another level in the coming years. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.